Here's my opening drive play on AMC this morning. You can see here that this was the pre-market. It's about a minute and a half from the open. And I drew some levels with my orange lines here. This was a nice range from $38 to $39.50. And this 38 was good support in my mind, right? It kept going up, kept bouncing from 38. It even had an earlier bounce here that made it all the way back up to 39.5. So I liked this range. And then if you go back earlier in the morning, actually late last night at 7:30, 38 started creating a support here too. So 38 was a decent level. I tried to go long twice with really tight stops here, and I got out, worried that 38 was going to fail because this was, just a couple minutes before the open. So I was definitely, not going to want to risk much with trading right into the open. So anyways, I got a decent trade on it though. So, I'm all out here and I'm just watching the price. It's about a minute and a half to the open, but you can see 38 start to fail. You can see the tape start to pick up. And so let me just fast forward here because 38 ended up being a really good level to trade around. Looks like I jumped around here, but okay, so now we're back at AMC here. Okay, so real quick, so it's 13 seconds into the open. Right here, I almost put in a limit order to short right at 38 or maybe 37.95 because in my mind, if this is a legit range, if these are legit levels, this broke out of it, it's going to pull back, retest. It'll retest it and then it'll continue down. I didn't do that because I just don't trade the open all that much. I'm not that successful, but it does end up doing a nice pullback right to 38, right there, right? Looks like it reaches as high as, I don't know, 37.90 or something. And so I could have shorted right here, but I ended up getting long once I felt like it was done selling off. So you can see the tapes going crazy, right? Big orders came in at 37 and 37 all the way down to 37, all through the 37s, big orders coming in. And then the big orders kind of slow down here. There's another couple big ones, right? Okay, so another thing here is this red line is pre-market low. So I'm looking at pre-market low as a potential for it to reverse and bounce off of. And my target would be 38 bucks. So what I want to do is I want to see big orders come in right at 36 and hold it up. So big orders came in at 36.5. And then some more big orders right here. I'm going to pause it. So big orders came in at 36.25, getting close to 36 even here. And so it does flush through 36, but if you notice, there aren't any big orders at like 35 something. There's a 36.01. And so you can see price is really struggling to continue here. So I get long here right at 36, risking about 40 cents here. And then you can see another big order comes in above at 36.11, which can be a potential for a long. However, you want to see more bigger prints come in after 36.11, maybe on the bid. So really it's just kind of going up slowly. There's a big one, 36.50. That was one of the biggest so far. 36.25. So there's a lot of big orders going on around here. I think that 25 scared me a little bit, so I partialed like 10%. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. So really, no more big orders came in going up here in terms of like block orders, but definitely the big orders stopped once it got to 36 bucks, and that's what I noticed. And so I basically just aligned, and you can see lots of big orders came in at 37.50 and 37.72, 37, and then right at 38. So that really confirms that at 38 there's a lot of players in there. And then I think it did struggle to get above 38, at least for like a couple minutes. But so basically I just combined pre-market low with a change in tape, and tried to get in tight, right close to the even flat 36, and then with 38 being my majority of the target, even though, well, the stock's at $65 right now. So these 10 shares that I bought could have made me I can't even count that, could have made me $250 or something. So thanks, guys.